Using Scratch, you can make your own animations, games, and anything else you can imagine. This tutorial will show you how to animate a character flying like the Powerpuff Girls.
OMG! Yes!
Bubbles from the Powerpuff Girls is really into coding.
Bubbles, I didn't know you could program. Yeah, I love to make games.
Coding is an awesome way to express your ideas and share them with others.
Awesome!
Are you ready to make something fly? First, choose a character. Pick a sprite from the library or draw your own creation. If you want a character that looks like you can upload an avatar from the Powerpuff Yourself website. Next, set the scene. What is your character flying past? Buildings, trees, rainbows? It can be anything you want.
Hooray!
Now, here comes the cool part. To make your character look like it's flying, move the scenery behind it.
Ooh.
And look, your character is flying. It's pretty awesome what you can do with code.
That was amazing!
That's not all you can do. Want to make your character interactive? Make it move when you press the arrow keys.
That was the greatest thing I've ever seen!
Now it's time to make it your own. Add clouds, hearts, unicorns, or any other floating things in the sky.
Okay, how about this?
You could add a score and make it a game.
Game on!
Or you could add more characters to fly with you. You could fly alongside the Powerpuff Girls. You could add your whole crew. Now you've created your own flying animation, just like a Cartoon Network animator. This is only the beginning. What sort of things will you make fly? When you get creative in Scratch, there's no limit to your imagination.
You never know until you try.
To get started, follow the steps in the tutorial by clicking the blue button. When you're done, share your project with friends in the Scratch online community. Check out what cool stuff other people are making too.